Shenzhen Bobotel Technology Development Company Limited is a professional home automation product system and devices supplier. The products include Wi-Fi Smart Socket, Wi-Fi Smart Light, Wi-Fi Smart Switch, Wi-Fi Smart Doorbell, Wi-Fi Smart Breaker. The main brand, Kaforto, firmly established it the premier brand in the smart home market with own software, Kaforto app, compatible with Google Home, Amazon Alexa, successfully worked with long-term partners from 100 countries and regions. Kaforto has professional wireless networking technology for connecting home. It has many outstanding features such as lighting control, timers, remote control, and voice control. Smart Wi-Fi wireless connection products can make our life more comfortable, safe, and scientific. Kaforto also provides customized services for customers, including software solution customization and hardware development and upgrade. Kaforto realizes low-cost home lighting, intelligent, adjustable lighting color and luminance, as long as the voice control can turn on and close different room lights, make your life more convenient. Company with high-tech R&D strength and wealth of manufacturing experience provides smart home solutions, products, and custom services. Bobotel's factory locates in Pingshan District, Shenzhen. Complete production facilities. Factory is strict with UI, ETL, CE, FCC standard to manage production. Professional testing equipment's guarantee of worry-free quality. Strict quality control system ensures the very efficient leading time to provide our clients with superior services. We're looking forward to your kindly visiting.
Welcome to Kaforto. We provide smart home products to meet your different requirements. Please contact us.